In this video, I will demonstrate how to edit WordPress site title and the tagline from the database. So if you look at my homepage where it says my blog, this part is the site title, and the just another WordPress site is just an optional tagline. In fact, if you also hover on the browser tab, you'll see the site title and the tagline displayed right there. So in this video, I will show you how to change them from the database. But before you proceed with the steps shown in this video, please make sure to have a full backup copy of your website. Once that's done, log into your hosting account, then go to the control panel area such as cPanel, and then look for the phpMyAdmin. Let's open it. Then look for the database which is associated with your WordPress installation. Then look for the WP_options table. Under the option name column, look for the blog name and blog description. So the first part, blog name, is going to be the site title. Currently it says my blog, but I'll change it to my website name, which is e-commerce TV. And the blog description is going to be a short description of what my website is all about. So let's go ahead and change the site title. Look for blog name and then click on edit. Then look for the option _value, and let's highlight the my blog and replace it with the site name e-commerce TV. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and then press go. Now we've changed the blog name. In fact, let's go to the website and refresh the page. Yeah, now it shows e-commerce TV and also reflected in the browser tab. Now let's go ahead and change the tagline. Let's go back to the phpMyAdmin and look for blog description, select edit. Under the option _value, look for just another WordPress site, highlight it, and let's say something like Shopify and WordPress tutorials. Now let's scroll a bit down and press go. So we've changed the site title and the tagline. Let's go back to the website, refresh it, and it's reflected right here. So this is all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.